Dear students, we are going to discuss electron affinity. It is denoted by capital E small a. Now let us discuss the definition of electron affinity. So electron affinity, the energy which is released when extra electron is added to a neutral gaseous atom. Now what does it means? If we add extra electron to a neutral gaseous atom, during that process energy is released and that energy is known as electron affinity. Now the process can be represented as, here we having boron which is in gaseous atom neutral. Now as we have added electron, then it becomes B minus, and during this process energy is released and this energy is known as electron affinity. Similarly for chlorine, minus 3.7 electron volt is the electron affinity. Now electron affinity is not determined experimentally. It can be determined by BHC or Born-Haber cycle. So let us discuss in short about Born-Haber cycle. And Born-Haber cycle, that means del HF, it is heat of formation is equal to heat of sublimation plus ionization potential plus heat of dissociation minus electron affinity minus lattice energy U. Now by this formula or Born-Haber cycle, we can determine electron affinity if we having the data about heat of formation, sublimation, ionization potential, heat of dissociation and lattice energy. Now more about it is discussed in the chapter thermodynamics. Now let us see what are the factors on which electron affinity depends. So first of all, we see that electron affinity depends mainly on the size of atom. As in the case of ionization potential, we have seen that as atomic size increases, ionization potential decreases. Similarly, as atomic size increases, electron affinity decreases. As atomic size decreases, electron affinity increases. In a group of periodic table, as we know that from top to bottom, the atomic size increases, so electron affinity decreases, and this can be also shown in the graph: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now here is, you can see that about fluorine and chlorine. Here we see that electron affinity of chlorine is higher than that of fluorine. What is the reason behind it? This is because of the greater dissociation energy of chlorine molecule. Now in case of chlorine, dissociation amount is 58 kilocalories per mole, and for fluorine it is 38 kilocalories per mole. So in case of chlorine, higher is the dissociation energy. Now this can be also explained by another method, and that is size of atom. Now the smaller the electron affinity of fluorine can also be explained on the basis of greater electronic repulsion between compact 2p orbital electrons in a smaller fluorine atom due to addition of extra electron. So here you can see that this is the electronic configuration. Here electron is being added. Now electron affinity also depend on the size, on the electronic configuration of atom. So electron affinity of a stable atom is almost zero, such as noble gases and half-filled cases, magnesium, calcium, nitrogen, etc. Now it also depends on the successive electron, we have to discuss about the successive electron affinity. Similar to ionization potential, there is a first electron affinity, second electron affinity, and so on. Now you can see here that as first electron is added, it becomes A1, first electron affinity, similarly second electron affinity. Now here one point to be remembered is that second electron affinity is negative and first one is positive. What is the reason behind it? This is because the first electron is added to neutral gaseous atom, 140.9 kilojoule energy is released, and it is in case of oxygen. Now when the second electron is added, oxygen energy has to be supplied, and it experiences repulsion between the oxygen atom and its electron. Because of the repulsion, electron affinity is negative. Now this is about the electron affinity. Thank you.